How's it going, people? This is Hellbent, and today I'm going to be releasing my Smart Clicker version 3. This is, as usual, with my other new auto clickers. This one's only going to be available to subscribers for the first few months, and then later on I'll release it to everyone. I'll go over how to get a copy in a bit. Now, I've tried multiple times to do a proper demo of this, but it takes too long. The videos end up being 8, 9, 10 minutes long, so I'm just going to go over quickly a quick setup for both modes, and if you have any questions later on you can ask them in the comments section. I'm going to go for fixed, where I use a fixed point. I'm going to hit fixed, set click location, and I'm going to set it to click here. It has a default width and height of an imaginary box. This is a literal box just to show you what the imaginary box looks like. 80 by 80 pixels. So if I move my cursor in, it starts clicking. If I move it out, it stops. I'm going to use target window. I'm going to hit set target window, click twice on the window that I only want to click on. Now it'll only click if Untitled Paint is used. Next, use click delay, set up a delay in between each click. I'll go 11 milliseconds. Display clicks. As it's clicking, it'll count there, and I can reset it at any time. Everything's ready to go. I press start. I activate the window. If I move my cursor inside that box, it'll start clicking. It'll snap to that point and start clicking. You can see the counter going up. If I move my cursor out, it'll stop clicking. Okay, that's fixed. Free mode is where I select a region of the screen, and wherever I move my cursor, it'll click as long as it's within that region. So I hit free, set top left, and I can just pick a portion of the screen wherever I want. So I'm going to do a box like this. So now I've just created an imaginary box. If I actually draw it out, you know, it'll look like that, right? So now if I move my cursor inside of that, it'll start clicking. Once again, hit set target window, click delay. I'll do this 22 milliseconds. That's it. I press start. Here, let me reset that. Because the window isn't active, it's not going to click, so I click on the window to activate that window, and now it'll start clicking. If I move my cursor outside of that box, it stops clicking. If I move it in, it starts. If I switch windows, because I've selected Untitled Paint, it's not going to click. Even though my cursor's here, it's not going to click. If I go back to this window, then it'll click. Alright, that's the demo. Okay. Like I said, if you have any questions, just leave me a comment down below. Now, how to get a copy of this. Before I do that, there's two versions available. This version is only available for download. Alright, I also have a prototype that I used for when I was actually mocking it up and writing it and getting all the spacing and all the controls that I needed and everything like that, and writing out the code to make sure it works properly. This version here is very plain, very bland, but it's going to be available as a paste. So if you don't want to download anything and you have auto hotkey already on your computer, you can ask for a paste and you'll get this instead. It works exactly the same. Some of the controls are moved and positioned in different areas, but it works exactly the same. They're identical except for appearance, and some of the controls are moved around a little bit. But when you message me, ask for download paste. Okay, get ready to pause the screen because I'm going to show you how to get a copy of this. Okay, follow these steps and within a day or two you'll have a copy. Alright. Okay, that's it. Be sure to hit that like button to keep these coming and show your support for these auto clickers, and I'll see you on the next one.